Prior to its world debut at the 2016 Geneva Motor Show, the hardcore Pagani Huayra BC has been spied completely undisguised in public. Only recently teased by the Italian automaker adorned in camouflage, this Huayra BC prototype dropped all of its camo while at Mount Etna in Sicily over the weekend. Evidently, Pagani wasn't shy in showing off the vehicle's bold new design to some unsuspecting skiers and snowboarders. As revealed by a range of spy shots, videos and teaser pictures, the Huayra BC is easy to differentiate from the standard model. For starters, it includes a new carbon fiber front bumper and splitter incorporating LED daytime running lights. The carbon headlights have also been tweaked, as is the bonnet and its two large aero flaps. Also at the front, the Huayra BC has large air extractors on the wheel arches similar to the 911 GT3 RS, more sizable side air vents and a new set of twin 7-spoke concave wheels. The visual and aerodynamic changes are completed at the rear with a towering carbon fiber wing, a new exhaust and a race-inspired diffuser. Given Pagani's history of never leaving a stone unturned, a number of mechanical changes should certainly be found on the BC. We therefore expect power from the 6.0-litre AMG twin-turbo V12 to rise significantly from the current 730 horsepower to nearer the 800 horsepower mark.